Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can get rid of a transparent background in Photopea. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Photopea and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the left side of your screen, you're going to find all of the sections. Here you're going to find the home section, this device, via drive, Dropbox, OneDrive, and so on. And right here in the center of your screen, you're going to find new projects, open from computer, templates, and also install Photopea. So go ahead and click on your project. Once you do that, you're going to be right here. So from here, you can choose a name for your project. Right here, you're going to find the width, the height, and also the PI. And right here in the bottom, you can choose the size for your project. So I'm going to choose, for example, this size for my project. And then I'm going to click on create. Once you click on create, you're going to be right here. So if you want to add an image, just go ahead and click on file, click on open, and then choose an image from here. For example, I'm going to add this image. Once you add it, right here in the left side of your screen, you're going to find all of the tools that you would need in order to customize this image. And right here, as you can see, guys, you can add layers if you want. So basically, guys, this is a transparent layer. If you put it in the back, it's going to be the background. So basically, guys, let's say you want to remove a background layer. Just go ahead and select the layer. And then right here in the bottom, you're going to find all of these options. Here in the right, you're going to find delete. If you click on it, as you can see, guys, the layer will be deleted. You can also right click on it and then you're going to find delete right here. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.